Open the door!
You are not Mom! Ready for a kind adventure?
You bet! Let's go! We'll share lots of kindness.
Adventure time!
Hello, friends. Today, we'll watch a short story in simple English. It's about a smart little boy and a tricky fox. This story will help you learn English words like open, gift, safe, brave, and clean. So listen carefully and try to repeat the words. You can learn English one fun story at a time.
I go to work. Goodbye.
Okay, Mom. I am alone.
Bye, sweetie. Be brave.
Bye, Mom.
Love you.
Love you too.
Open the door!
You are not Mom!
I bring a gift.
I know your trick!
Open the door! No! Go away!
I hide in room. I feel safe. I stay inside.
I wait for you.
Ha! I see you!
Hey, no fair, you spotted me!
Too slow, Foxy.
I'll get you next time. I bring a snack. I do not eat!
I am clever! Fox, you cannot trick me! I clean my room. I am brave.
I am very tired.
Good, you go away.
Good boy.
I am safe. Wow, a fox at my door.
Hello, kind words, you know.
Come in, please.
Thank you, young friend.
Of course.
I learned today.
Be honest, Fox.
Great job watching. Now you know I am brave. I stay safe. I do not open the door. If you understood this story, you're already learning English. Want to learn more? Like this video. Subscribe for more simple English stories. Remember, every word you learn makes you smarter and braver. See you next time. Bye.
Great job. Subscribe for more stories.